Today we are going to learn about the linear equations in single variable. In this we are going to learn about the question number 14, exercise 2.2. The question is a sum of rupees 500 is in the form of denominations rupees 5 and 10. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of each denominations. For example, I have 50 rupees with me. I want to know what is the denomination of 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Okay, I have 50 rupees in total. I want to know how many 5 rupees notes and how many 10 rupees notes should be with me to make the total as 90. Like this, we have to know the sum of the denominations of the rupees 5 and 10 such that the total number of notes is 90 and the sum is equal to 500. So I have the 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. The total value of the given amount is 500. The number of notes is equal to 90 and the total value of the notes is 500. I have to know how many number of 5 rupees notes are there and how many 10 rupees notes are there with me. For that, we have to take, let the number of 5 rupees notes is equal to x, and similarly let the number of 10 rupees notes will be y. We don't know actually how many 5 rupees notes are there and how many 10 rupees notes are there, but we have to take that values as x and y. Now according to the question, the number of 5 rupees notes and number of the 10 rupees notes is equal to 90. So according to the given question, x plus y is equal to 90, because in the question it is given number of 5 rupees notes plus number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 90. And another part is given that the sum of the rupees is 500, means the sum of the 5 rupees notes and sum of the 10 rupees notes value is 500. So another equation is also given number of 5 rupees notes, means 5 rupees notes we don't know how many are there, 5 into how many notes are there, x, plus how many 10 rupees notes are there, y. So 10 into y should be equal to the value 500 rupees. Once again I am explaining you the answer once again. Here a sum of 500 rupees is there in the denominations 5 and 10 rupees. If the total number of notes are 90, find the total number of the each denominations. For that, we don't know how many number of 5 rupees notes are there. We are taking that value as x. We don't know how many number of 10 rupees notes are there. We are taking that value as y. And according to the question, the sum of the 5 rupees notes and the 10 rupees notes is equal to 90. And the value of the 5 rupees notes, that is 5 into x, and values of the 10 rupees notes, that is 10 into y, is equal to 500. Let us take this equation as equation number 1 and let us take this equation as equation number 2. Okay, we have to solve this equation 1 and 2 to get the x and y value. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 90, and second equation is 5x plus 10y is equal to 500. This is the second equation. So let us solve this equation. For solving the equation, we have to make the x and y values equal. So here the x value is 5 and y here x value is x. So we have to multiply the total equation with 5 and this total equation with 1. So this equation 1 is multiplied with 5, equation 2 is multiplied with 1. What is the reason? Means to make the x values equal. If you multiply 5 into x, the value will be equal to 5x of the second equation. Remaining we will solve later. So 5 into x is 5x, 5 into y is 5y, and 5 into 90 is 450. So like this the first equation will become. We are multiplying this first equation with 5, second equation with 1 to make the x values equal. So 5 into x is 5x, 5 into y is 5y, and 5 into 90 is 450. And this equation will be remaining as it is. Y means we are multiplying with 1. So 5x plus 10y is equal to 500. So we are solving the equation. We have to change the signs. What is the sign here? Plus 5. We have to make it minus. What is the sign here? Plus 10y. So it will become minus. What is the sign here? Plus 500. It will become minus. So plus 5x and minus 5x is cancelled. Minus 10y plus 5y is minus 5y. Minus 500 plus 450 is minus 50. So cancel the minus value and minus value. We will get 5y is equal to 50 implies y is equal to 50 by 5. 50 by 5 is nothing but 10. So we got the y value as 10. So once again I am explaining you how we got the y value as 10. We have multiplied the first equation with 5, second equation with 1, so that the x values will become equal. Then we put the first equation and we put the second equation here. After that we solve the equation by changing the signs of the below values or second equation. Plus 5x will become minus 5x, plus 10y will become minus 10y, plus 500 will become minus 500. As we know that plus 5x minus 5x is cancelled. Minus 10y plus 5y is minus 5y. Minus 500 plus 450 is minus 50. Minus minus cancel. 5y is equal to 50 and y value we got it as 10. Now let us know the value of x. So I am writing here. As we know from the first equation that x plus y is equal to 90. X plus y is equal to 90. Substitute the value of y in the given equation. So x plus y value we got it as 10 is equal to 90 implies x is equal to 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. So by this we understood that number of 5 rupees notes are equal to 80 and the number of 10 rupees notes are equal to 10. Okay? Did you understand the answer? By this we can understand that number of 10 rupees notes we got the y value as 10 and number of 5 rupees notes is equal to 80. As we know that 5 into 80 is 400 and 10 into 10 is 100. So the total is equal to 500. Total is equal to 500. By this we can understand that what we got the answer, the x value and y value is correct.